To snipe a meme coin, start by creating an account, which will give you access to the necessary features. Once you have an account, go to the relevant section, where you'll find a list of coins. To snipe a coin, it needs to be in the process of migrating, which is indicated by a loading bar and a migrating label. When a coin is migrating, hover over it to confirm the status. Then click on the coin to reveal a sniper icon. Click on this icon to snipe the coin, and you'll be able to set your snipe settings, including slippage, priority, and bribe, beforehand to increase your chances of sniping quickly. To do this, click on the Snipe Settings option, adjust the parameters as desired, and then wait for a coin to start migrating. When you see a coin migrating, click on the sniper icon to snipe it. However, be cautious and only snipe coins that are worth it, as some may be scams, and you could lose money. It's essential to be careful and do your research before sniping a coin.